Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are very fine. So now very good morning and let's start today's topic of discussion. Today I am here to discuss with you from your book Value Education. From this book we are going to learn the very first chapter of this book, that is Be Obedient. Be Obedient is the very first chapter of this book. We are going to learn about the chapter or story. So, before starting our today's class, we will first learn what is value. Value is our kind of conceptions, our idea that leads us to the right path in our life. We can understand what is good and what is bad, and we can adopt, we can follow what the best way in our life. We can do best things in our life. That is value. And in this book, there are some fables. What is fable? Fable is generally stories related with the animals, and actually it teaches us a moral lesson. Moral lesson means our concept of justice. So from these fables we can learn a moral lesson, and that builds us to that builds our value. So now open the very first chapter of your book, page number 1, and our story begins from here. Shiny the star. Shiny the star. So we will learn about a star today. It is the story of a star. Look. Shiny was a tiny star. She lived in the sky with her parents. She wanted to travel around to see what there was in other places. So Shiny was a tiny star. When we look at the sky in the night, we can see many stars. So among them, we are imagining that there was a tiny star and she lived there with her parents. And she was very curious to know the world. She was very curious to go other places. Her parents told her that she was too little to go off on her own and that she would have to wait. So Shiny's parents told her that don't go alone, you are too little, you will go with us or you will go when you are grown up. Next. One day, Shiny saw a lovely green patch with colorful dots on it deep down from the sky. So above the sky, the Shiny was looking towards the ground and she noticed a small green patch, green colored patch and dotted with something. And it looked very beautiful, it looked very attractive to her. So she forgot what her parents had said and flew down to look at it. She flew down from the sky and he forgot what her parents had told her. But she flew so fast that she soon got lost. She got lost because she was so eager, so curious that she came down so fast, and as a result she lost the way. She didn't know where her home was. Now she didn't know where her home was. Turn the page, page number 2. Shiny reached the green patch. So eventually Shiny reached the green patch. Though she has forgotten her home, her address, but she reached the green patch where she wanted to come. It was actually a garden on the earth. So garden is green. It is all over covered with green grasses and green trees and flowers. So the garden was the actually green patch which Shiny saw from the sky. The children and the animals there thought she was a very bright firefly. Everyone wanted to catch her. Shiny was very frightened. So generally we cannot see a star in daylight and we never touched a star. When a star came down The children and the animals who were present in the garden, they thought that it was a firefly and they wanted to catch her. As Heidi was frightened, she was scared because she also did not see these kind of things, these animals and children earlier. So she was frightened. Next was what happens? Look. Shiny flew from the garden and entered a house. So Shiny flew from the garden and entered in a house. There she hid herself under a seat. Seat, what is a seat? We use seat to cover our beds. We spread it all over our bed. So Shiny hid under a seat. Bed seat actually. A child came and lay down next to her. And a child came. Maybe it was the child's bed. So the child came and he lay down. He saw her. Suddenly the child noticed Shiny and thought she was a ghost. And the child was frightened, scared. The child thought that the Shiny was a ghost. She screamed with fear. She started shouting with fear. He started shouting with fear. He screamed with fear. Shiny got scared and flew from there too. Then Shiny also got scared because she did not listen this kind of screaming earlier. So she was also frightened. She ran away, she flew away from there. Shiny reached a mountain. This way, from flying to the from the home that she entered, she flew and reached a mountain. A great dragon lived here. Have you seen ever a dragon? I think no, because dragon is an imaginary animal. It has wings, and when it breathes, it leaves fire. Look at the picture, you can understand. It has wings. It is a great animal, and it exhales and inhales fire. The dragon thought she was going to kill him. So the dragon has not seen any star yet. So it thought that star, the Shiny, has come to kill him. He spat fire at her. So the dragon started to throw fire at her through his mouth. Luckily, she managed to escape the dragon and its flame. So somehow Shiny managed to escape from there. Come to the next page, page number 3. Shiny was very scared. Generally, she was very scared now because wherever she goes, she faces a trouble and she is now very scared. She was also missing her parents and now she was missing her parents. She sat on top of a high mountain and started crying. Now the tiny star, Shiny, started crying and she sat on the top of a mountain. Soon it became dark. So after the all day long, it became dark. Evening came down. There in the sky, her parents were also searching everywhere to find her. So Shiny's parents were also looking for her in the sky. Suddenly they saw a very bright light on the mountain. So suddenly when they looked down on the earth, they noticed a bright star, bright light on the top of a mountain. They knew it was Shiny. So they understood that it was obviously Shiny. Immediately they flew to find her. Immediately her parents flew to find her. At last Shiny went back home safely. From that day she always listened to what her elders said. So at last Shiny's parents took her home and from that day Shiny began to listen to her elders and never disobeyed her parents. So this was the story of Shiny the star. So what do we learn from this story? That we should be obedient. We should listen to our elders, our parents. Because you know, our parents or our elders always tells us what is good for us. They suggest us the best thing for us. So we should listen to them and we should follow their advices. Okay, that was the lesson. That was the value. We learned the value today, obedience. Obedience. So the title was Be Obedient. We should be obedient to our elders and seniors. This is the value we learned from this story. I think we will learn and you also follow this value in your life. You will listen to your elders and always follow their advices. Okay, so today's class is over now. You read the story and do the exercises and show me. Take care, students. Bye.